Nestled in a wooded lot, the home forms an ensemble with an existing pool house. The latter's board-formed concrete walls establish the material basis for the new residence, which is home to a family of 5 and includes 2 home offices. The house features a restrained vocabulary of rift-sawn oak, mill-finished steel, galvanized metal panels, and concrete. Taken together, these materials create an environment rich in texture and animated by sun and shade over the course of a day. Aligned with these natural features, the house welcomes engagement with the circumstances of this particular landscape. As the owners move through their home, further, the house provides a sense of the entire property in incidental moments. Inside, dramatic vistas are omnipresent, and the house is alive with activity. The raw texture of the concrete is presented against finely detailed walnut millwork and custom site-glazed window walls, which are framed with rift-sawn white oak and steel to form flitch plate mullions.